Why product longevity is a powerful first step to improving commercial sustainability. Climate change poses a serious threat to everyone, everywhere. Every year, it seems, we see large ecological disasters that set new records for disruption and devastation. A solution? Better sustainability through better choices. Let's say that we're going to replace the waste containers in our facility. Broadly speaking, we have two choices: a freshly manufactured container that uses virgin materials, or one that has been remanufactured using recycled material. So, if the life expectancy of the new container is multiple times longer than the recycled container, then over time, the new container may well be the more sustainable option. The longer a freshly manufactured container lasts, the longer the delay before additional resources are needed for remanufacture. Rethink how you define sustainability. If you buy better, your products last longer. If your products last longer, you waste less. When you waste less, you support sustainable practices. We're ensuring the changes we implement over the coming years don't just create tick-box sustainability, but they go further and redefine what sustainability improvements look like and create space for further innovation. Let's do this together.